Now this is going to be difficult to show you. This is what I'm talking about. So I've got the camera in my hand at the moment, so I can't, it's going to be difficult to actually sew as well as, but I'll just go through the motion and show you exactly what I mean about stitching the interlining on top of each other, in case I didn't make it clear in the first video. So here it is. This is going to be difficult. So I've literally just put one on top of the other, as you can see. There it is, just one on top of the other, and I'll do a little bit with one hand. So this is what I'm talking about. And it is nice and flat, so the imprint should not go over. Now if you want to do 2 stitches, you can if you want. Stitch that down again, but I don't think that's necessary. Okay, so that's what I'm talking about. So this is stitching the interlining together, one on top of the other, instead of doing it the other way. Instead of doing it also by hand. So just a little explanation.